Scroll down the dashboard and you will find the domain semantic map. It plots everything AmICited knows about your topic space in one picture. Your prompts, your fan out queries that the AI engine expands them into, and the titles of every URL that gets cited. Arranged so that related items sit closer together in nice little clusters like this one. So we also have a bunch of filters up here. So if I were to exclude prompts, exclude my fan out queries, I would only be left with my page titles. We can see a little cluster forming over here. So we can zoom into the cluster there and see that, okay, some of these page titles are very close to each other when it comes to relevancy and their context. So generative engine optimization, of course, and then again, generative engine optimization, generative engine optimization, generative engine optimization. So you can get an idea, okay, all these different URLs have a very similar page titles. Now, of course, we're not only talking about AmICited, we're talking about all these different platforms over here, platforms that we added as our competitors. We can actually filter out all of them and only focus on titles from AmICited. And as you can see, we need to regenerate this because a lot of our content is actually missing from this map. But in general, we can see automating AI visibility, AI monitoring tool comparisons, and let's see the best AI visibility tools for 2026 and so on. You can see that all the related titles are clustered in the same spot. If you want to regenerate the semantic map to have the latest information, you can do so up here and you can check when it was last generated.